So the first method we'll be learning using the CSS Flexbox. So I have a container here with the class of main container. Inside the main container, I'll have a h2 with the class of title, and I'll have a text inside the title. I love coding, and I'll save. I have my CSS link already. I'll head to my CSS. I'll write a basic boilerplate using the global selector, margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing to border box, right? So I'll copy this class. I'll paste with the class. I'll display flex. So I'll justify content to center. That's on the horizontal. It's on the center of the horizontal. On the vertical axis, I will align item to center. I'll give it a height of 100 viewport height. You can see we have an item at the middle of a browser. That's the first method. Second method, we're using the grid. So I'll comment this out. I'll copy this class. I'll paste. I'll display grid. That's a grid. I'll place item to center. And I'll save. You can see inside the center. And also give it height 100 viewport height. So the next method, I'll be using a button. So I'll head back to my HTML. I'll add a button here, which I'll write button. I'll write login. I'll give it a class of btn. So I'll go to my CSS. I'll select the btn class. I'll set the margin, top and bottom 50%, then left and right auto. This is a button. Since button is an inline level element, I'll display block. You can see we have our button at the middle of the browser. You can decide to give it a padding, maybe 20 px, 40 px, and also a background color. We will use is brown, then text to white. You can see we have our button at the middle of our browser. We use then the last method. Select the btn class. We set the position to absolute. We set the top 50% and also the left 50%. Then we transform, then translate negative 50%, then negative 50%. You can see our button at the middle of the browser. You can try to copy this style and add to our button. You can see our button at the middle of the browser. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more coding hacks.